The newly elected Narendra Modi-led government is all set to present its first budget on July 10. High expectations surround the event. Market participants expect the new government to deliver a budget which is growth-supportive, anti-inflationary, and committed to fiscal consolidation. But it is definitely not going to be a cakewalk for the new government. Talking exclusively to NNI's Akash Jindal, one of the prominent market experts, said the new government should boost the defense sector in the forthcoming general budget. He also said the government must induct new artilleries, keeping the neighborhood tension in account.
I think the defense budget should be increased because see, defense is very important for us and our armed forces should be equipped with the latest equipment, whether it's fighting equipment, and again whatever the benefits we could give to our armed forces personnel, that is also required, because ultimately if our economy is going to grow, if our country is going to grow, the security means even more important for us. And in these days of international tensions, I think we need to give due importance to our armed forces. So the financial allocation should be done in a proper way to the armed forces.
Jindal also said the new government should focus more on creating opportunities for retail investors in financial markets.
I think this budget may target at growing the economy, growth in employment opportunities, job opportunities, growth of industry, growth of economy. Now, if this budget can grow the economy, that also would have a positive impact on the salaried class, because then they can have a better case for their salary revision, salaries going upwards, plus they can have more job opportunities. So I think salary class would be looking for higher income tax exemption limit, expansion of ATC limit, plus efforts for the economy to grow so that they can have higher salaries.
Akash Jindal also said the government must emphasize on creating job opportunities for the unemployed youth.
I would request and suggest the government is that ultimately the common man of the country needs to benefit. Now, in case there is going to be any exit law, prior to that there should be more employment opportunities. I mean, the government's aim should be to increase employment opportunities. Of course, things should be made comfortable for the industry, but for the common man.
Powered by NNIS.